Slaney, by sylvan vale and glen, where memory lives immortal round the names of famous men, where Ireland's proud traditions withstand the tear of time, and the gift of ancient culture comes forth in song sublime. Through it glows fabled beauty by Carlo's great expanse, and through the heart of Wexford, the home of grand romance, where Irishmen of valor, inspired by the words of Tone, gave up their lives in battle to grasp and hold their own. Those ancient banks re-echoed the creak of yeoman's leather, when the blood of priest and people ran free in the purple heather, and the Slaney's bosom gathered the patriots' blood and tears, when Ireland's hopes were shattered in the dark despairing years. Ah, God be praised in justice, the scalding tears were dried. There's peace where free men gather, in homes by the Slaney side, and the nation's flag floats proudly where once the tyrant's thirst created hateful memories and let his name accursed. Flow on, historic Slaney, flow on through the years ahead, and chant your whispered requiem by the graves of the glorious dead. May each young generation observe your inspiring charms, and ever guard your glory in the ranks of men and arms. And I, when the years surround me, shall dip my pen in pride and write a farewell message Southward with the Slaney, by sylvan vale and glen, where